Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Crunchyroll too many devices error. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways we can go ahead and fix this problem, and there are also a couple of reasons why you could be facing it. So we're going to be discussing all about that. So the first thing you want to do is open your Crunchyroll application and click on your account tab on the bottom of your screen. You're going to be taken to this page. The first thing you want to do is head to the password tab, enter your email, and change your password immediately. What this will do is it will log you out of all the devices that you had previously logged in, and that will go ahead and fix your problem. However, and if that's not the case and it's not devices that you're logged in with, but you're still facing the problem, it could be just a application glitch. You can try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.